The question here asks us to firstly summarize how Meselson and Stahl's experiment illustrates the manner in which DNA is copied for transmission between generations. So we know that Meselson and Stahl's experiment revolved around two different isotopes, where we have a light isotope and a heavy isotope, whereby they wanted to see how um, the particular isotopes of DNA here is going to basically get transmitted. So there are three main theories that they have. They had conservative, semi-conservative, and dispersive theories. From what they saw was that the particular set of DNA here was going to essentially replicate in a semi-conservative manner, indicating that essentially DNA here is going to be wrapped in a double helix. So that is going to be part A here. For part B, it states that